Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. My name is Alif Naam bin Nasharuddin. My number Matric is BBD10302. So today I want to give the analysis and the review to movie of Rock Book. So this film is based on theory of constructivism. Students learn better when they build their own understanding through the experience. For example, teacher from that video named Madam Satoshi related physics concept to daily life so the student understand in practical way. Next, a teacher was a student-centered approach, not just memorization. She believes that all students have a potential. For example, a student in class D are given equal opportunity even though they are labeled weak by the system of the college. And next, we look the strategy of Madam Satoshi. Her strategy is to build a student confidence. For example, give a positive thought, praise for effort to increase their motivation. So next, we look the learning method from the movie. Learning method we look is use dialogue and active learning method, not just lecturer. For example, invite students to do simple experiment and discuss concept openly. However, we look the technique used include question and answer, demonstration and group work. For example, use real object to explain the concept of force or the pressure. So we look the character teacher that Madam Satoshi have. We describe she is very simple, neat and very professional. She have empathy characteristic because she show great empathy, especially to weight class D that she learned. So the next one is she have a characteristic of ethic. She reject the unfair and the weak system in education at the college, including the discrimination and lack of transparency. The lastly is she is very professional because she show the high commitment to the teaching. Not just teaching, she also educating which also.